Story 18. An Arab suffering in the desert from extreme thirst recited, "Would that before my death I could one day enjoy my wish, that a river's waves might strike my knee, and I might fill my water bag." In the same manner, another traveler lost himself in an extensive region, having neither any strength nor food left, but he possessed some money and roamed about, and the road leading him nowhere, he perished from exhaustion. Some people afterwards discovered his corpse with the money in front of it, and the following written on the ground: "If possessed of all the Jafari gold, it will avail nothing to a hungry man, to a poor man burnt in the desert. Boiled turnips are more valuable than pure silver." And of course, they're referring to the school of thought started by that Shia Imam, Jafar. And no, that's not where I get my name.